the number cut. Today let us learn multiplication of decimal numbers. Let's begin. Now there are two things we will learn. First one, by multiplication by 10, 100, 1000 and multiplication by whole numbers, and one more, multiplication by decimal numbers. So first let us understand how do we multiply by 10, 100 and 1000. What is the rule? In decimal multiplication, when you multiply by 10, the decimal place, it moves to the right to one place. It moves to the right to one place. So because in multiplicand, in the multiplier there is 1 0, so in multiplicand the decimal point has to move to one place only. And so when it moves to one place to the right, it becomes 93.14. Now multiplication by 100. So in multiplier there are two zeros. When there are two zeros, multiplication by 100, the decimal point, the decimal place will move to the right to two places. So 2 places to the right. So 820.5 is our number. 820.5. Now multiplication by 1000. When we do multiplication by 1000, we have to see that the decimal place, the point will move to 3 places to the right. So 1, 2, 3. It moves 3 places to the right. So 5, 6, 9, 2.1. So 5692.1 is our number. So this is how we do multiplication by 10, 100 and 1000 in decimal numbers. When you do 10,000, it means how many places it will move to the right? 4 places it will move to the right. It will shift to the right. Now let us do multiplication by whole numbers. Now when we multiply by whole numbers, first arrange it in vertical. So vertical order you arrange and then do the multiplication. So 5 6 are 30, 3 is your carryover, 4 6 are 24, plus 3 27, 2 is your carryover, 3 6 are 18, plus 2 20. Now you have to see how many decimal places are there in your multiplication. So in the first multiplication, first number, you can see there are 2 decimal places, 1, 2. So from the right you have to place your decimal point before 2 numbers. So it becomes 20.70. It becomes 20.70. Now this multiplication. Now here you can see 0.08 into 7. It is very simple and easy. So you can do it orally. 8 7s are 56. So write 8 7s are 56. Now you can see how many decimal places are there in your multiplication numbers. Here you can see 2 decimal places. 2 decimal places. So in your answer also, in your product also, you have to see 2 decimal places. So 1, 2 and put the decimal point and 0 for the whole number. So this is your answer. Easily you found this. Now next by decimal numbers. So this is decimal multiplication by decimal numbers. So here you can see our multiplication is 0.003 into 0.03 into 0.3. So don't bother about the number of zeros or decimal point. Only first multiply these 3. All 3 you multiply. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. Then write 27. Now you count the number of decimal places in the question. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So when there are 6 decimal places, so you have to write. So 27 you can write little space here. So again count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have 2 already. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now put the decimal point. This is how you do it. So first you do the multiplication, then count the number of decimal places in the question, and that many number of decimal places you have to put the decimal point in the product also. Now next we'll do the next multiplication, that is 0.7 into 0.7 into 7. Now 7 sevens are, just multiply the numbers. Only the 7 you multiply first. So 7 sevens are 49. 49 into 7. Now 49 into 343. So 343. Now how many decimal places are there? 2 decimal places. You can see 1, 2. So just put before 2 digits the decimal point. So here also you have to see you make 2 decimal places in the product. Now you multiply this 4.6 into 3.2. Now 4.6 into 3.2, you need not put the decimal point. First you do the multiplication. 46 and 32. This one you can do with a small trick. Now 6 2s are 12. 1 is your carryover. Now cross multiply. 4 2s are 8 plus 6 3s are 18. 4 2s are 8 plus 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 8, 26 plus 1, 27. So 27, 7 here. 2 is your carryover. 4 3s are 12 plus 2, 14. Now you see how many decimal places are there? 1, 2 decimal places. So 2 decimal places you make in the product. So 14.72 is your answer. I hope it is very easy for you. Very easily you have understood how to do it. Now we will do this multiplication. 8.08 multiplied by 0.04. Now don't multiply with zeros and don't write the decimal point. Just write 808 and you multiply by 0. Multiplied by 4. You multiply by 4. So 4 8s are 32. So 3 carry over, 3 comes down because 0 is there. 8 4s are 32. Now you see how many decimal places are there in the question. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now put the decimal point and place 0 for the whole number. So 0.3232. This is your answer. So, don't get confused to place the decimal point in the right place before multiplying. First you multiply. After multiplication, count the number of decimal places in the question. Same number of decimal places you have to make in the product too. I hope it is very clear now. Now let us do the next multiplication. Now in this you can see it is looking a very long multiplication, but as you do you will find it very simple. So 2 into 0.2. So first let us do step by step. 2 into 2 to the 4. So there is one decimal point here, so I wrote one decimal point. Now 0.4 multiplied by this. So you will get 4 to the 8. 4 to the 8. How many decimal places are there? 1, 2, 3. So 0.08. 0.008. 0.008. So 4 to the 8 and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now with this we will multiply the next one. Now 8 to the 16. So we will write 16 here. 8 to the 16. How many decimal places are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we can write 16 little far and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is our product till here. Okay. Now we will multiply this to this. Now how do we do this? Now if we multiply, I will write it here into 2000. Okay. So what is 2000? 2000 is 2 into 1000. Right? 2 into 1000. So first let us multiply 16 to the 32. So 0.0000 and 32 into 1000. Into 1000. So we multiplied with this first. We multiplied with this. Okay. With only 2. We multiplied only with 2 and we did not multiply. Now we will multiply it by 1000. Now we are multiplying by 1000 here. So we multiply by 2. 16 to the 32 we wrote. And then how many decimal places? Same number of decimal places we wrote here. Now when you multiply by 1000, when you are multiplying, so what happens? The decimal place will move to 3 places to the right. It will shift 3 places to the right. So 1, 2, 3. So what is our answer now? It is 0.032. This is our final answer. because after multiplying by 1000, 3 places, the decimal point shifted 3 places to the right. So our answer is 0.032. I hope you have understood very clearly and you found it very simple. So I think after watching today's video, you will find decimal multiplication is too easy for you. Hope you will like to share this video with your friends too, and you will practice regularly so that you have a good fluency and accuracy in your calculation. So don't forget to subscribe and like.